सुप्रभात बच्चों, केम छो? मजामा छो? कैसे हो? मजे में हो? How are you? Hope you are fit and fine. So you see, there are so many ways to greet somebody. Once again, Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Adab. For the past 1 week, we have been talking about India and its varied culture, right? How about a quick recap about the symbols of our country that bring pride and honor to our nation? Starting with our national flag, Tiranga, national symbols of India, national emblem. You can see the symbol on all the currency of our country. Our national emblem, whose motto is Satyamev Jayate, truth always triumphs. अगर आप सच बोल रहे हो तो आपकी हमेशा जीत होगी. And here comes our national animal, the tiger. Every tiger has unique black stripes. You know that? Our national fruit, mango. This has vitamin A, vitamin B6, vitamin C, vitamin E, iron, zinc, natural sugar and fiber, and oh my god, so many benefits. No wonder it is the king of the fruits. Our national flower, lotus. The leaves and flowers of lotus have long stems that contain air spaces and they float on water. Our national bird, peacock. Colorful, beautiful tails are characteristics of males. That is, boys only have beautiful feathers. The girl peacocks, that is peahen, they don't have. But our national bird is peacock. Our national sport, field hockey, is the national sport of India. So we learned that although there is cultural diversity, that is, there are many religions and languages, people wear different kinds of clothes, and they have different kinds of food, but all together, we are all Indians and we love our country. So, our culture is followed all over the world by many people. Now, India has 29 states, and each state has its own tourist attractions. Like, people specially visit to see the beauty of these places, and monuments add to this varied culture. India has many beautiful monuments and places to visit. These are the tourist attractions of our country. Like you can see here, New Delhi. It has India Gate, Red Fort, Qutub Minar, Lotus Temple, and so many more things to see. Indian dance forms, not just classical dances, but India has folk and tribal dance forms as well. Mostly every second day, we have festivals and celebrations, and dances are performed to express joy and festivity. Like we have Gidda Bhangra in Punjab. There are other dance forms also, Kathak, Kuchipudi, Garbha, and many more in all the states. Like you can see here, Rajasthani folk dance. Cultural diversity is such a vast topic. We can talk for hours and hours together, right? So how about I give you a state and you share with me what you could find about that state, and I'll share it with everyone. And now, like I promised, that I'm going to share some new words with you. So here we go. Okay, So we all know Hindi, Punjabi and English, right? But did you know? आपको पता है अंडा क्या होता है? Egg, right? But in Tamil, egg means huge brass vessel used as a water container. In Malayalam, chor means cooked rice. जो चावल हम पका के खाते हैं ना, उसको in Malayalam they say chor. In Kannada, leg, our legs, leg, they say kallu. मंकी को पता है क्या बुलाते हैं? कोठी. कन्नड़ में मंकी को कोठी कहते हैं. And there are many more words. I'll share some more words of South Indian languages. Like South Indian languages are Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam. These are all South Indian languages. Like we say mango. Originally, this word came from Malayalam and Tamil language, and it meant they used to say manga. Bamboo, like we say bamboo in Kannada, they say bamboo. Now the word welcome. Welcome, आइए, पधारिए. You say that ना? I'll just read it out. How you say welcome in other languages? Swagata, Bangla. Swagata आहे, Marathi. Even in Kannada and Marathi, they say Suswagata. In Malayalam and Telugu, they say Swagatam. Tamil, Varaverapu. In Gujarati, Padharo. So, now I will say bye-bye. Have a great day. Hope you enjoyed the video. And now I'll be sharing the message where you have to find out which state you have to perform on, and do read the instructions carefully.